Welcome back to my channel. To everyone who is new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Goldnessa, and in today's video we're going to be doing this smoky purple eye look. So the first thing we're going to use is tape to create our hearts. The tape I'm using is Scotch tape from Target. So I did apply my Morphe eye primer before this video, and now I'm going to go in with my M433 brush and grab that black eyeshadow and apply it all over the lid. Just really pack it onto the lid, not really blending it out at this moment. And now I'm going to go in with my E19 brush and grab that dark purple and apply it right above the black eyeshadow. Packing the eyeshadow, not really blending it out. And using the same method with the same brush, we're going to grab that hot pink and pack it on top of the dark purple. And then with my M562 brush, we're just going to be blending out the pink first. And because I noticed that the hot pink was kind of fading away, I decided to grab that same brush and just apply a hot pink to it and blend it out, instead of blending it out with a clean blending brush. We're going to use that same brush and grab that baby pink and use that to blend out the hot pink as well. And because my purple was starting to fade, I decided to go in with that E19 brush and pack on that purple again. And then using the same blending brush we were using throughout the video, we're going to blend out that purple in with the pink. So I am going to be repeating the same methods all over again, the whole packing and then blending method, until I get the desired blend that I want. Blending that purple in with the pink and then blending the pink in with the baby pink. And to clean up my white eyeliner, I actually went in with a black eyeliner and an angled brush. Now grabbing my M507 brush, I'm going to grab that hot pink and apply it to the bottom of our eyes. And then grabbing that dark purple and applying it really close to our waterline. We are going to apply this shadow with our fingers and just apply it in the inner part of our eye. Instead of dragging this fallout with the baking powder, we are going to use this not so sticky tape we were using earlier and grab that excess powder and fallout with this tape method. And to apply my blush, we're going to go in with the M510 brush. And by the way, I already applied my contour and my highlight before I even applied my blush because I don't want to sound too repetitive, so that's why I did not include it in this video. And then using this NYX Jumbo Black Eyeliner in my waterline. And that is it for the look. If you guys liked it, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any video suggestions, leave me some comments down below. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!